Okay, so I remember I was telling us yesterday that we need to download a particular app. This is the app I am talking about. Sorry, sorry about that. This app, this particular one, is called WhatsApp Autoresponder, or another one called All Autoresponder. This one. I used to utilize the WhatsApp autoresponder before, and it used to work very well until I don't know what happened. It stopped working. So I went to search for the all all auto all app all auto all what they call it, all auto reply for all social media. So this is the app. I have already downloaded it. It has a free version, it has a premium version. You can utilize the premium version for as long as you want. Now, how do you use this autoresponder? I am going to I'm going to start all over again. Because as I'm tapping on this, there's a red line that is showing. The red line is signifying that this red lines here, that I have switched off these particular responders. So I'm going to start new responders for you to see how to use it. You don't have to go to the settings. So how do you start? Click on plus. You see that plus there? The plus is here. Tap on it. This autoresponder has the capacity of doing autoresponder for a lot of apps. If you can see, starting from Vivo Messages and all these apps that I've never heard about before, LinkedIn, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook Business Suite, WhatsApp for Business, Messenger, and Instagram. And this is an upgrade. I think I like this idea because before you can only use the autoresponder on one app, whether you are either attaching it to WhatsApp or to WhatsApp for Business. But with this one, you can utilize it in all your social media. So you just set your message that you want it to deliver. Now here, I just want to set it with the WhatsApp for Business. I told you that I had not set it on the WhatsApp for Business. So let's set it for the WhatsApp for Business. Good. Now, in this receive message section, this section, you have that message, that particular message that I typed inside the post cron and the bit.ly. Let me go and copy it. That is the message you will drop, you will put inside there, because it is a robot that will respond to a particular message. This is like a robot that will respond to a particular message. You will see adverts from time to time because you are not using a premium package. Once you see the advert, all you just need to do is click out of it. So, hello, I saw your advert and I am interested. My name is. This is the message that once the person clicks on that my bit.ly link, it will bring this message to me. And once my robot sees this message, my robot will respond with the next message that I'm supposed to get, which or he's supposed to get, which is where I have put my links for him to utilize to join my group. Now, once you have put this already written message, you see this list here. This list has a reason. If you want people to come and send you this message, some people are very funny. When they come on board, they can just use mistake to click inside the message and delete either I or delete Y just by mistake. And if you put exact match, it means that if it is exact match, once they press send and this message that they have deleted one point, one thing inside comes to you, it will not deliver the message that you have already preset because it is exact match. But what you need to do is use similarity match. That is to say, e resemble, as long as e resemble this talk, this typing, just prompt, just take action immediately. Then the next thing you need to do, you see this reply message. In this box, you will put the message that you want to reply them. All right. Now, let me go and get the message from the other WhatsApp. That prompt that dropped, this particular one. So I'm copying it. You must have prepared your messages down so that you will just be copying and be pasting. So I'm copying it and I'm pasting it inside here. So what I want to say is already here. I pasted it. When the customer comes and say, I'm interested, tell me more about your program. Hell, I'll just respond. My own response now will now come from the robot. Hello, good day. It's nice to meet you. My name is Adorable Olamide. You know, I am the one responding now. I'm a digital entrepreneur, a business coach, a creator, and a mentor. Feel free to save my number in order to enjoy continuous learning through my WhatsApp status. Remember, I told you that there must be something to tempt them to save your number. If not, some of them will not even save your number. They just want the thing that you are promising them. So do let me know if you have saved my number. That's if you do, so that I can save yours as well. Remember, the reason why you need to save their number or and get them to save your number is so that they can see your WhatsApp and so that you can add them to your broadcast. Once you add them to your broadcast, whatever message you are sending, they will get it. Once they add you to their broadcast, to their number. If you don't add you, they will never get your messages. So I also have a free gift for you. This is where lead magnet comes in. This is lead magnet because everybody loves free things. So you say save my number, comment saved to get the free gift. Immediately they go ahead because they want the free gift. They will now go ahead and save your number. Now there's another prompt that we will do, but for this has come to the we have come to the end of this one. Now, what is the next thing we do? You see this place that they wrote delay in seconds. It is the not the time you want that message to take before it comes. So you don't have to waste time. You can say 1 second so that immediately they are typing, the message is dropping. And reply to, are you addressing group? Are you addressing both group and individual? In this case, you are addressing individual. So you click individual. Then this one you will leave it. This one you will leave it. Now, this particular repeat rule, you will remove this one because if you don't remove it, it will send that message twice. That means it will send hello, welcome, or hello, good day to you. It will send it twice, and that's not very good for business. Then every other thing, just leave it like that. And the next thing is you click on this green button. This green button here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will select an app. Oh, that means I have not selected the app. I thought I selected the app. So you go here and select the app. Okay, once I select the app, you will also click on this green button. If you don't click on the green button, it will not recognize the app that you have selected. So now I have selected my WhatsApp for business and I have set every other thing. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this green button as well. It will bring adverts to you.
Is artificial intelligence going to put marketers out of business?
Once it brings the advert, allow the advert to get to the point where you close it. Then it will now tell you the message rule has saved successfully. So that's the first part. Now, the second part is that once they have typed saved, you need to add that one to it. So I'll click on the plus. I will select the app like I did before. I will save it by clicking on the green icon, the green circle. Then I will now type received message. The next received message I'm expecting from my customer is saved, because I've told my customer to go ahead and save my number and get a gift. So if you have saved my number, just comment saved, type saved for me, let me see. So immediately he types saved. I have already prepared a message that I want to drop for him. Let me pick up my message. So my message is here. Let me pick it up and take it to the robot. So remember, I selected similarity match. Make if as a resemble am. So what is the similarity match? I've told you. Some people might use mistake to change what you have written. It is still resemble it. So here is the link to our business class. Here, it might not necessarily be to our business class, to our business store, because this is where you will now drop the link for your landing page. I need to get the link for the landing page. Good. So you copy the link to your landing page and then you go and drop it. Here is the link to our business tour. Drop the link. And after that, if you have a gift you want to give the person, you can just drop the link here. Once you drop the link there, you go ahead and you set the seconds. How many seconds do you want it to drop? It's still 1 1. How is it to, who is it to reply to? Individuals. Repeat rule, no, you don't want it to repeat it. Then you go ahead and click on the green circle so as to save your number. Remember I told you that you are not using premium, so adverts will always come. Once advert come, allow it to run and then you go ahead. Once it runs, it saves your work for you. Now we have these two green sorry, if you tap on it you are turning it off. If you tap on it you are turning it off. Then another way you are going to turn it off is, see this upside. This thing has disappeared again. My brush has disappeared again. So see this upside where they wrote auto reply on. If you close it, you see this auto reply will not happen on your WhatsApp. Ensure that it is on. Then if you want to turn off all the app itself, you turn it off in this upper green side, that button that is on the right hand side, that white button. That's how you turn off the app. Because if you don't turn off the app, the auto responding will continue for anybody that sends you a message. So that is basically how it works. Now if you want to test what you have done, this work that you have done, you go to the menu, these 4 lines that you see here, tap on it, then you come to the 5th item, test reply rule. In the test reply rule, it's asking you for, let's take that again, the 5th item, test reply rule. You want to see what you have set. So you are dealing with individuals. It's asking you for individual name or group name. Just put Dynase or anything. Just put any name there. Okay, and say send. Now it has brought you to this place where you can test what you have done. Remember, how do you test it? This is what you do. Remember that first message that we posted or that we sent. Let me get the message again. This is the message. Hello, I saw your advert. I'm interested. I want to know more. Copy the message. You want to test if your app is going to work for you. So copy the message and paste it. My name is, fill in the message. Now you are test running it by yourself. Then send. You can see what happened there. Immediately I sent it. In 1 second, the response came. Then after, as if I'm the customer, I've read it and I know that I'm going to be giving a gift, I will now type saved. If I have saved the name of the person that engaged me. So I will now type and say saved. Immediately I type and say saved. You see, I'll say the response comes. Great. Here is the link to our business store, and here is your gift if I have a gift. But you don't necessarily have to have a gift. But at the same time, you can have a gift. What can you give? You can give them an ebook. You can give them a recipe. You can give them anything that comes to your mind. But you don't necessarily have to have a gift. So now it means that this system is ready to go. So let's go and do rehearsals on the inside my WhatsApp. So I'm for instance, I am the person that saw the advert. I have clicked on the bit.ly link. It will bring me here. Once it brings me here, my duty is to write my name. Hello, I saw your advert and I'm interested. My name is Dapo.